Oh my God, y'all. Shit is getting real. So I'm making the homemade tamales for Christmas gifts for my clients and for just special people this year. I have my Fierce shirt on. I didn't realize I would actually really need it, but this sucker right here, it's called a Weeble S. It is a gimbal. Y'all go Google that shit if you haven't and YouTube it, and if you do, I just warn you, you'll need divine intervention. I had bought one from a vlogger that I follow. She's pretty awesome, but I had started looking into them about, I don't know, clearly over 6 months ago when she first posted her review. Well, she did a review in the one that I was gonna pull the trigger on, and in fact did, which I'm returning to Amazon. Now that she's used it, she had some really great feedback, and it's not really gonna work for my camera the way I wanted it to. So this Weeble thing is one of those shits that you like move and it follows you, but the great thing is it can sync to my phone. So when I'm doing these cooking shows for the channel and for monthly recipes and all that fun jazz, the shit's gonna follow me around the kitchen, so I don't have to be all stupid and not know how to edit and make it super choppy. So I'm so damn excited. When I get home, I'm opening this sucker. So excited. I'm even gonna take it with me to Texas next week because I wanna capture the journey of expanding my team to Texas, my former stomping ground. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Yes, still have my coffee. Nothing is changing there, so no one panic. But that is my jam for right now. I'm excited. So y'all ladies get ready. I'm gonna get this gimbal set up. I'm gonna start working on, I had told you guys I'm gonna do the enchiladas with the tomatillo sauce and the rice. That will be my first gimbal recording I do, and I will work on that tomorrow. So I will do that damn video tomorrow. I will cook those damn enchiladas tomorrow, and shit's gonna be real. And then that gimbal thing can even follow me when I'm stuffing cash envelopes, when I'm doing my financial coaching call. Y'all, we're going to a whole nother level. You ready? The only thing you don't get is you're not gonna get me looking any different than I do every day. I just don't even know what to tell you. So see you. I love you. You need anything, a kick in the ass, business talk, whatever, you just let me know. And next week or the following, probably next week, I will be posting my Q1 books of choice that I'm going to be reading in case you guys want to hop in on that train, because I'm going to start doing book reviews as we get going in January. So